Hi, this is Casey Atkinson from Willie Driving School here in Logan, Utah. We're going to talk a little bit about traffic school. First things first, let's say you get a couple speeding tickets and your record's not looking that great. What you can do is go to a defensive driving course, a traffic school, one of these schools, and they'll take away some of your points off your record. Now, you can only go once every 3 years, but it'll take about 50 points away. It'll help your record. Now, these schools will teach you just basic things, kind of a review of driver's ed when you're 16. Rules of the road, defensive driving. Now, it's important to go and important to pay attention. It may cost a little bit of money, but it should be worth it to save your record and your insurance. I recommend not taking this course because it does cost a lot of money. So how you can avoid this is just don't speed. Slow down, follow the rules of the road, don't race, don't do anything stupid. Reckless driving will send you there quickly. Just be a careful, safe, defensive driver, and you'll be fine. And you can avoid all the costs of this course and sitting in the classroom for 8 hours straight.